Hi, my name is Syafiq and just graduated from SMU, so I studied economics and data analytics. So I had a background of a bit of data science, a bit of statistics, and then I moved into Google right now. So right now in Google, I'm actually in the global mobility team. So I'm helping them build dashboards and move towards a more digitally transformed department. So basically, I think what artificial intelligence is basically when you can actually feed a program or you can feed an algorithm some variables, and they will basically give you an output that they can predict, or it can even perform something that humans can do. So an artificial intelligence learns the same way as how human intelligence learns, in a sense where they do by trial and error. So in a lot of AI models, you're basically just letting them try and error repeatedly until they get the optimal performance or the optimal output. And from there on, you can actually mimic human intelligence. So I think a lot of people are currently giving a big push to learn programming. I mean, the government is having an initiative to start programming from young, and even within the AI and data science team, there are at least 7 to 10 companies who have just been set up last year, and most of them are getting IMD certification and everything. I think at the rate that AI is growing right now, what we see in the future is almost every aspect of our life will be taken over by AI. And this can be a good and a bad thing. So a lot of people are afraid, will AI actually take over our jobs? But I think the opposite will actually be true, whereby I feel like AI will be, in a sense, be able to complement how we live, whereby people won't actually be doing or programming the base algorithms for AI in the future, where we'll actually be using the insights from AI to create better decisions, to create more intelligent decisions.